hungry. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is JT Pillars, and today I am going to eat. Meet me downstairs in the kitchen. We'll check if there's a food in the fridge. Let's go. Okay, let's see what's in there. We have a food. My favorite snack is puto. Come on, let's go. To eat. I'm yummy. You want some? You like it? No, right now. Cook your own food. I'm starving. Let's see in my fridge if we have lots of food. Come on. Let's see. What? I don't have food! Look at this. Guys, this refrigerator is 24 years old. My mom got this from her salary. She got this refrigerator. Her first job. I miss your food. I wish I want more food. I'm not gonna be hungry again. Let's check it out. What's inside? Come on! Yeah! No more food! Okay, we have Fuji chocolate, Fuji bar maybe, and then this is mommy's favorite, Sig Sig, and then we have peanut butter. I love to put bread, but we don't have bread, so I need to buy. And this is my most favorite. This. I also forgot. I have something. I have meat, maybe, and then hot dog. I already ate longanise and ham. Sorry. And then, oh yeah, this is, I don't know what is this, but it's kind of tasty. Oh, and then, guys, if you like this onion, I'm allergic to it. No, wrong. This, never mind. And then, and we got potato. We had vitamins, and then we have Mount Tomas, then cupcake syrup, and then, oh yeah, cheese, and then looks like a milk cheese. And then, I love fresh, this candy over here. And then, and then, this my, we have water, and then another water. And then I have mayonnaise, and another. And then, what is this? It's Colamans, really. This one. So that's it. Okay, we're done showing you. So how about you? What's in your fridge? Yes, you. Show me your fridge. Hi, Auntie Precious Angel.
Hi guys! Hello po Kuya JC. Ngayon po ay... Hi! Yan. Welcome to our fridge tour. Yeah! Pretty! Hi! Say hi! Yan. Ayan po, ipapakita po namin naman ang ref namin. Medyo sinuwerte-swerte tayo kanina at may na-receive tayong libreng mga ayuda ni Mayora ng aking sister. Kaya medyo nadagdagan yung laman ng ref natin. Hindi na siya puro yellow ngayon. Nababa ka? Ayan. So, yung ref namin, hindi naman yan masyadong branded. Ayan, makikita niyo yung logo. Tapos, sa bottle opener. Ano pa na? Yan, yung mga chicha-chicha. Oh, huwag mo i-remove yung halaman dyan. We have magnetic plants. So, open na natin yung sa may freezer na part. Tsan-tsan! Lamig no! Lamig! Yeah! So, yan. Tapos yellow. Dahil nagtitin na po kami ng yellow dito. Church. Ito, meron pang chicken. Chicken na pinautang na kapitbahay. Ayun ate. Say hi! Nak! Ayan. Sa chilling part. Namin siya ng konti dahil nga dun sa dumating na ayuda. So, una yan, itlog. Hindi tayo mawawala ng itlog at hotdog kasi tandem yan. At akala nyo ice cream, pero maha to. Yung ginawa kong maha. Masarap siya guys. Umorder na rin po kayo. So, may grape pa yun. Ayun.
Order na po kayo ng maha.
Maha. Tapos ito,
Wow.
ito yung ginawa kong jelly flan. Jelly flan. Masarap po siya. So, tumatanggap din ako ng order. Charan! Order. Tapos, ayan. Yung ganito, 50 pesos lang. Made with quality ingredients. O, diba? So, may pa tayo. Dito na. Ayan. Marami ka ng Sito. May nag-sponsor ng Sito. Tapos, chocolate. Yan, chocolate. Shopee. Paborito kasi nila Ash, tsaka ni Taki, tsaka ni Austin. Cream. Yan yung laman. Lagi ako may ganito dahil ayan, cream, tapos condense, evap, dahil anytime na gusto natin gumawa ng kung anong pagkain, meron tayong kukuhang mga basic na sangkap. Ayan, itlog, tas harina, yan, makapagputo or cake na tayo. Tas yan, mga konting chocolate, snip, doughy, yan, para sa mga bata. Meron din kami ditong honey seed para sa system.
Order na rin.
Once ko lang siyang natikman. Actually, yung sister ko yung nag-order nito. Natikman ko, okay naman. Pero hindi lang ako may mag-iinom ng ganyan. Tapos, meron dito yung C2, water, soft drinks. Yan. Tapos, yung ginawa ko, kimchi. Na wala masyadong kumakain pa, dahil hindi pa siya ganun ka-ferment. At hindi sila mahilig sa Korean food. Tapos, Lola Remedios, ang sagot sa mga sumasakit na kasukasuan. Lola Remedios. Oyster sauce, yung tira kong vanilla. At pickles, dahil favorite ko to. Favorite ko tong pickles na to. Tapos meron din tayo Caesar dressing. Dahil masarap yan sa mga vegetable salad. Favorite namin yan. Kunwari diet. Tapos,
Wow, nandito na po yung mama ko
nandito
din.
na yung tapos, alerted. Dahil Kuya JC, si Ate Taki ay merong allergy. So, hindi dapat mawalan nito.
Hello na, Ate Taki. Come on.
Lemon C, vitamins nila.
Oh,
Oy! Tapos, ito, ayan lang po ang laman ng aming ref. Ano, pumipili ka na ba? Ha? Dami ba naman?
Wow, ganda.
Ano? Saan?
Wow, may mili na siya. Hasito.
Say na po. That's it po. Thank you po. Yum yum. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye Kuya JC. Thank you for your virtual fridge tour. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you for showing your fridge. Hi Ellie, show me your fridge. Hi JC, ito po laman ng ito namin. May hotdog, tapos may mga fries. Tinda po namin to. Ito po yung mga itlog, palaman, peanut butter, tsaka syrup, mga tubig, siopaw. Bye-bye, JC. Thank you, Ellie, for showing me the refrigerator. Let's go to another country in Korea. Hello, Ate Angie Rotone. What a sweet name.
Hi. Hi, JC. Annyeong. Ayan. This is my Monsari. Oh, ayan. Ano kaya ang nasa loob ng aming ref? Ayan, let's see. Come on. Oh, no. Oh. Ayan. Ito po yung laman ng aming ref. Ayan. Ito po ay lumpia sauce or vegetable sauce. Pag gumawa po tayo ng lumpia, yan, mga Shanghai. Ito ay Vietnam chili sauce. Ayan, Vietnam chili sauce. Tapos ito po, sweet chili sauce. Yan, sausawan po sa broccoli. Kapag nag-steam po tayo ng broccoli, ito po siya. Yan, masarap po yan. And then, wow, ito po. Boya, ito. Meron din po tayong bawang. Yung bawang po dito is, ayan, may nabibili pong ganito na ano siya. Nadikdik na po siya. Hindi ka na mahirapan. Ready to, magisa-gisa. And then, meron din po tayo. Sino po kumakain ito? Yan. Ano kaya ito? Let's open it. Guys. Charan! Ayan, ito po yung ating kimchi. Masarap po sa sanggupsal o mga prinitong baboy, manok. Ayan. Kahit itlog na prinito, yun, ang sarap-sarap nito. Or, sa nilagang kamote, pwede po yan. Ang sarap po niyan. Kimchi. Ayan. O kaya ito. Ayun, ito po. Meron pa po tayo. O kaya ito, open. I-open po natin. Taran! Ayan, ito po. Sarap po yan. Ito po yung chili flakes. Ayan, masarap po yan. Kahit ano mga pwedeng ilagay sa ramyon, pwedeng ilagay sa mga gulay-gulay. At maraming vitamin C po yan. Ayan, ang ating chili flakes. And then, meron din po tayo ditong organic eggs. Tsaka po, yung isa is itlog na maalat po siya. Itlog na maalat. Ayan. At, meron din po tayo ditong ginger honey. Ayan. Magpapa
Angie Rotone. How about quiet? Let's go! Hi, Kylie! Hello, Kuya JC. Today I me and Clea are gonna show the fridge inside all the food. So here we have egg, butter, and some yogurt and milk. And like this is mom, like she's using this for cooking. And we have lemon, milk, and more milk. And let's go to the other fridge. So here we have ice cream. We have I don't know what is this, but it's yummy. Like we have a lot of meats, and we like have ice and more ice cream. And mommy uses this for cooking. And there's more cooking and this. And also chili, which is my mom's favorite. And one more is for cooking right here. And also one more ice cream. It's open. So that's only I have in my fridge. And goodbye, Clear Daisy. That's only my video. Bye-bye. Thank you, Kay Kylie! How about in Japan? Oshimoshi Omi-chan! Omi-chan! Hello, Grace.
Hello, こんにちは皆さん。これは日本の冷蔵庫です。中に見ますよ。中はこれです。これ中に入ってる。Ayan. Ito ang mga laman. Yan, mula sa taas. Yan. Ito. Yellow. Ang mga ice cream, chocolate. Iba-iba, mga gulay. Yan. Malaki siya. Ito pa, may isa pang rep. Ito naman, puro mga karne. Mga karne. Yan. Bye-bye.
Thank you, One-chan Grace and Baby Satan too. When your fridge is empty, don't worry. Because you can make a business for it. Look at this. Ate Ellen, show it! Okay? Ate Ellen, show it, please! Come on!
Easy. Gusto mo ba makita ang aming rep na walang laman? Tanan! And the first floor.
That's a good idea. That's all, and hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye bye, always stay happy and rise up. Bye bye. I have imaginational